on a day in which we as a city take a moment to reflect on the message and the life of Dr. King. This city, founded by an immigrant from Haiti, this city, when he saw a lake and a river and the possibility from Haiti, those were the words that were spoken and the values that were spoken when Hitler put Jews on a boat in 1939 in St. Louis, the name of that boat, to show the world that nobody wanted Jews. And as it came to the shores, it was rejected because they did not want those people in this country. We are here on this breakfast because whoever's journey, whether it is across the Atlantic, the Pacific, the Rio, or up the Mississippi, Chicago is your home. We find common identity in this city. Our history as a city is welcoming people who believe that tomorrow can be better than today. And I say that as the son and the grandson of an immigrant who came to this city not just to flee the pogroms, but to embrace the promise of tomorrow. And it is more important than ever that we not take this breakfast just as a morning of reflection, but a lifetime of changing attitudes.